Good morning, journeyers. We're just getting our buffet on. That's right, I'm having flautas because it's awesome. We slept for 9.5 hours. It was fantastic.
As you can see, this is our view.
Not too shabby.
Not too bad. We had made to order omelets. I got bacon and sausage and some chocolate chip muffins. Got some pastries. Yo, Guatemalans, they do food right.
Right. Here's for you, Guatemala. So we're actually heading to Zacapa today. Julie is picking us up at the airport at 12 o'clock. We got like a 4-hour drive. But then we'll be in Hope of Life and see everyone. We're gonna see how much time we have. We might go to the market this morning. We're gonna I think we have enough time. It's like the largest market in Guatemala, so we're gonna check it out.
What's up, guys? So if this is your first time at the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Stay around for more adventures from the journey.
So we are in Mercado Central, I think that's how they say it, in downtown Guatemala City. So we're gonna explore around here, and then we're gonna go check out, I think it's the Capitol building. Let's explore.
Well, we did a little bit of exploring of the Capitol. We weren't allowed to go in it. But
yeah, we walked up in English, and the dude just looked at Stone Cold and was like, it's like, this is Central Plaza, which is where the market is, their capital, they have museums, there's a lot to do. So if you've got like a day in Guatemala City, we would probably suggest just coming down here. There's lots to do. Plenty of taxis and stuff, so you can easily get a ride.
Yeah.
But lots to explore, and it was a really, really easy trip from our hotel. So.
Yeah. So that was a fun time exploring a little bit of Central Market and a little bit of their Times Square.
Guys, comment below, what was your favorite thing? Was it the market, or was it the Capitol building, or the church?
Cathedral.
So comment below.
Yeah. So now we're heading back to the hotel. We're gonna shower up and get ready to head out.
Juggling in the middle of the street.
Head out to Zacapa. Alright people, we are in the elevator, heading down to the lobby, and we are about to head out to Zacapa.
We are going to Zacapa. Thank you, Guatemala City. You were awesome.
Guatemala City was a blast. We'll definitely have to come back. We're going up, not down.
Absolutely.
No, we're going up.
Why are we going up?
So, let's see what happens. Alright, we're on the bus. Heading down.
Guatemala, everybody. This is Guatemala City.
Give us the tour.
You're getting ready to drive through the heart of it. And, did you see the guy? What is it? The guy up there.
We've already been there.
Up on the left will be the Guatemala Zoo. It's a fabulous zoo if you've never been.
Oh, well, we didn't get to go to the we didn't go to the zoo. We didn't know about that. So, but it's gonna be about a 4-hour drive up. We're gonna stop for lunch and hopefully it's good. Julie thinks we're gonna be pretty good. So, let's see.
I bought a table this morning.
All right, people. We are here in Zacapa. We finally
it's not
made it.
technically, but
Oh.
it's near it.
We're near Zacapa.
It's like
We're in Hope of Life.
Yes.
That's like right around Zacapa area. It's kind of dark outside, so, but we are here
Hey, make sure that air.
and we are ready to explore.
This is where we're staying. It's
Yeah.
called the Canada House. It's really nice. We'll get you a better shot tomorrow once it's a little light, but I don't really know what we're doing tonight.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna go with the flow.
We'll see what happens.
Do whatever they tell us to.
We'll have the camera ready if any big things happen.
That's
so.
right.
It'll be glued to the hip. So we're gonna get settled in. See you around. All right, so we're walking to get some ice cream stuff, and look who we found.
You're not gonna be able to see them. Oh,
Can you even see me?
Oh, my beautiful face.
that's a great first picture of them, isn't it?
Kelsey, we got Kelsey. Kelsey's back,
Hi guys.
and we got Amy.
Beautiful.
I don't know if
Amy just freaked out. Nate didn't get it on camera though, but a giant bullfrog
it was a bullfrog.
jumped on her leg.
That was huge.
That was awesome.
It really was
He was
happening.
So
was this big.
it's super dark,
The other day,
as you can see.
killed a
So
pit viper
we'll do another interview or something once we get to the place. So,
I didn't say it.
all right.
Sorry, I wasn't ready for it.
Nice little lady's house.
All right, so
She makes some sweet. I don't know, but this is Coca-Cola and it's fantastic. Kukos. Kukos? Kukos.
Nathan, what kind would you like?
Coffee.
Yeah, he's our
Oh, you got coffee.
This is a
Okay,
Coca-Cola.
Ellis, what kind do you want?
This is Lauren ordering.
With
Hey,
Julie.
how's it
Whatever.
going? Welcome to Guatemala. Bienvenidos a Guatemala.
Julie Nash, the face of the journey now.
Hey everyone, The Journey here. Thanks for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Click that subscribe button down below to watch more awesome videos.
Check out our website for sweet merch, blogs, and awesome content.
And if you're on social media, make sure that you're checking us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Like us, share us, wear us.
Journey signing off.